Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day. What I'm doing right now is I'm trying to find a color that is going to complement the house. I need to find a color for this lower level that's including the kitchen, the living room, and my office, and of course the front entryway. I will leave all the colors in the description box. I can't tell you in which order it's going. Today, that's really not my focus. My focus is just applying these colors on the wall to see the color payoff, to see which one I'm going to go with. Once I make my final decision, then I can share that, and of course it will be on my blog. If you're interested in the specific color that I'm going to be choosing for the house, I highly suggest that you hold off probably about a week or two. I like to have the colors live on the wall for a while to see how comfortable I am with them before I make my final selection. But at that point, the colors will be available and I will tell you exactly what colors I opted to go with. Oh, I hate this. All right, you guys, when you're doing the samples in your house, I am going to highly suggest that you do it on the wall, again, facing the light. And then you want to do it on the wall across, which doesn't get a lot of light, because that's going to let you know exactly how the color looks in the daytime, in the middle of the day, and also at night. That way you can kind of gauge if this is what you want. This color here is called Quicksilver. I like it. It has a really nice bluish undertone, almost kind of beachy. It's white, but it's not white. So I really do like it. This brush is horrible. Let me just express that right now. It's horrible. But again, it's super cheap. So I can't even have this like huge expectation out of it. Really quickly, just to let you guys know, Sherwin-Williams sells sample sheets. So instead of you doing this, you can actually take this sheet and just kind of rub it on. I'm gonna reach out to my rep to see if they'll give me a few of the sheets. That way you guys can see it on the wall. But like I said, I can look at the color and tell if it's going to be a yay or nay for me. So I just went ahead and I mixed it. But I'm saying this to you guys, but I don't even think y'all gonna go to the store. I was gonna say, ooh, Fleur de Sel. This is a no. It looks like salmon, which is weird because it don't even. Oh my gosh, I like it, but oh my gosh. It looks pink. Oh geez. I'm not a happy camper. I actually really love this color. Let me see this. Okay. So, number one. Okay, Frosty White. I actually really like that. It's giving me gray, but it's giving me white also. That right there is just pink. That's a no. Because I'm gonna paint and William's gonna come, because I can see the seams and nail pops on the ceiling. He's gonna come fix these little things. I'm gonna go ahead and write on the wall and allow him to just patch it up when I come. So this is Minute Mauve. This is Frosty White. All right, Minute Mauve, Frosty White. I'm missing a brush. Ooh. Alpaca. This one here is called Alpaca, which I like this too. Ooh. I think Alpaca is going to be the color of this hallway, honey. This is really pretty. This is really pretty. I like that. I feel like the entire house would be Frosty White, my office, Minute Mauve, and then this thing here would be Alpaca. Let me write that down. I'm surprised I actually did so good with picking this out, because I just had, you guys, I have like one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 13 colors that I just picked up. But then I was like, you know what? I don't want to mix 13 colors. Let me see what this is going to look like. This one is called Downy. This one looks real white. Is this color going to come out? Okay. It's too dark. I'm not really a fan. I'm not really a fan. It's too dark. Drowning, drowning, I'm finding the worst in you. Ooh. If you can help it, you guys, if you can help it, try not to paint your walls like a gray. Because then, if you don't do gray, you can do a lot more gray, like your floors and your pillows, and you can see it pop up a little bit more. But as soon as you go to do like a gray wall, automatically everything just gets real blendy. Before I make my final decision, I have to get a sample of the window treatment. But I really like this, like a lot. I feel like Frosty White, I can do it all over the house, minus the kids' rooms. I like it. It feels good. Too pink. There goes the color, you guys. And I know this looks really gray, right? But it's not. It's like a grayish. I don't know how to explain it. But once the floors get lightened, you can see it. Let me grab the flooring real quick. Let me grab some samples. Oh, can you guys see that? I feel like it's coming to life. I feel like it's coming to life. And you can see the warm tone in the flooring. I really like it. Like, I really, really like it. I don't know what color this is. I think this is one of the mauve things. Nope, it's not. I don't know what color this is, but it's coming across really pink. So I'm not like a super fan of it. This is the Quicksilver, which is giving off baby blue, which I don't hate it, I just don't want it. This is the Downy, which I really like. This one here is Frosty White, and I feel like the Frosty White is definitely a color that I really, really love. I think it's nice. It's super subtle, which I would probably leave it for down here in the upstairs loft. Maybe, possibly, I don't know. The Minute Mauve is definitely lavender, which I think is really nice. And then the bottom is Alpaca. It's going to be between Alpaca and Frosty White. All right. I feel like because I like the Alpaca, I should probably paint a little bit more of it. So that way I can really figure out if I want it or not. Because that's going to tell me if it's something I want to look at all day long. So I'm going to paint one plank. I'm going to paint one. I'm going to paint one of the coves. And I'm going to paint the wall. Because this is going to really tell me, like, this is it, girl. This is it. This is it. Once it gets darker. I definitely want to see what it looks like at night. All right, you guys, that is basically it for today. I'm going to figure out exactly what I'm going to do. And once I have it, you guys will be the first to know. I will see y'all next time. Bye.